Welcome to a world where miniature ninjas roam the realms of the Arachnid universe, the incredible world of jumping spiders. These tiny arachnids are unlike anything you've ever seen. Their agility is nothing short of astonishing, and their unique characteristics set them apart from their eight-legged cousins. In this video, we're about to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of these miniature marvels. Prepare to be captivated by their world, where agility, cunning, and charm converge in the most extraordinary ways. Let's begin our exploration by introducing the diverse world of jumping spiders. Jumping spiders come in a striking array of colors and patterns, showcasing nature's remarkable artistry. Despite their acclaim, jumping spiders are among the tiniest members of the arachnid family. These diminutive arachnids can comfortably perch on the tip of your finger, yet they possess a remarkable charisma and charm. Jumping spiders are highly adaptable and can be found in a wide range of habitats, from lush rainforests to arid deserts and even urban gardens. Their ability to thrive in such diverse ecosystems around the world showcases their adaptability and resilience. Remarkably, there are over 6,000 known species of jumping spiders worldwide, with scientists continuously discovering new ones. This sheer diversity highlights the immense wonder of nature, with each species contributing its unique story to the intricate tapestry of life. Jumping spiders boast a distinctive and intriguing anatomy that sets them apart in the arachnid world. These small wonders typically measure just a few millimeters in size, yet their bodies are meticulously designed for agility and precision. Their cephalothorax, the fused head and thorax, is characterized by its compactness, providing a low center of gravity that aids in their remarkable jumping abilities. Additionally, their 8 legs are equipped with specialized bristles, or setae, which allow them to sense vibrations and maintain a firm grip on various surfaces. What truly distinguishes jumping spiders is their exceptional vision. These arachnids possess some of the sharpest eyes in the spider kingdom, with 4 pairs of large, forward-facing eyes that offer panoramic vision. The principal pair of eyes, often referred to as the anterior median eyes, are especially remarkable. These eyes are capable of high-resolution images, enabling jumping spiders to track and stalk prey with unparalleled precision. Their acute eyesight aids in detecting movement, distinguishing colors, and even recognizing potential mates or rivals. In addition to their keen vision, jumping spiders have evolved unique hunting techniques that make them stand out as nature's nimble predators. They are known for their stalking behavior, patiently inching closer to their prey with stealth and precision. When the moment is right, they use their powerful back legs to leap towards their target with astonishing accuracy, pouncing on their unsuspecting prey in a fraction of a second. Their hunting tactics, coupled with their sharp vision, make them formidable predators in their miniature world. Jumping spiders are true ninjas of the arachnid world when it comes to hunting. Their hunting strategies are nothing short of remarkable, demonstrating their cunning and precision in securing a meal. One of the key elements of their hunting strategy is patience. Jumping spiders are known for their slow, deliberate approach to their prey. They carefully stalk their target, often inching closer in a stealthy manner. This patient approach allows them to get within striking distance without alarming their potential meal. Their ability to stay perfectly still for extended periods, blending seamlessly into their surroundings, is a testament to their extraordinary hunting skills. When the moment is right, a jumping spider strikes with astonishing precision. Using their powerful hind legs, they execute a remarkable leap, propelling themselves towards their prey with remarkable accuracy. This lightning-fast jump is often the last thing their unsuspecting prey sees before being captured. The accuracy and control they exhibit during these leaps are nothing short of acrobatic, making them some of the most agile predators in the animal kingdom. Jumping spiders are not just masters of precision and agility, they are also skilled silk spinners, and they employ this versatile material in a multitude of ways throughout their lives. Silk plays a fundamental role in the lives of jumping spiders. Unlike some other spider species that create large, intricate webs for passive prey capture, jumping spiders use silk more actively. They produce silk from specialized glands located in their abdomen, and the silk is extruded through small spinnerets near their rear end. Examples of silk production and web building can be witnessed in various aspects of a jumping spider's daily activities. They use silk to create draglines that they anchor to surfaces, providing them with safety lines as they navigate their environment. These draglines are crucial for preventing accidental falls and for quick retreats when threatened. Jumping spiders are not known for weaving traditional orb webs but use silk strategically for other purposes. They construct silk shelters to protect themselves from adverse weather conditions and predators. These shelters serve as a safe retreat where they can rest and digest their meals in peace. Remarkably, silk is also involved in courtship rituals among jumping spiders. Males often engage in intricate dances and display behaviors to court females. Silk threads are sometimes used in these displays, creating a visually captivating performance that helps males gain the female's attention and approval. Jumping spiders are not only known for their remarkable athleticism and courtship dances but also for a variety of lesser-known behaviors and adaptations that make them even more fascinating. One intriguing behavior exhibited by some jumping spider species is their mimicry of ants and other insects. Some jumping spiders have evolved to resemble ants in appearance and behavior. They mimic the movement and even the antennae-like leg gestures of ants to avoid potential predators, as ants are often unpalatable or even dangerous due to their stinging capabilities. This mimicry serves as a form of protective camouflage and allows jumping spiders to move about without raising suspicion. Another remarkable aspect of jumping spider behavior is their ability to plan and strategize during hunts. Unlike many other spiders that build webs and wait passively for prey, jumping spiders actively stalk their victims. They exhibit an impressive degree of patience, waiting for the perfect moment to launch their precision jump. These spiders appear to evaluate their surroundings, target, and timing before making their move. This strategic approach to hunting sets them apart from other arachnids and demonstrates their cognitive abilities in executing successful hunts. Jumping spiders, despite their incredible adaptations and unique behaviors, face a range of threats in their natural habitats. These challenges underscore the importance of understanding and conserving these remarkable arachnids. One of the primary threats to jumping spiders, like many other wildlife species, is habitat loss. As human development encroaches upon natural ecosystems, the places where jumping spiders thrive are increasingly disappearing. Urbanization, deforestation, and agriculture are contributing to the destruction of their habitats, limiting their available resources and safe havens. Jumping spiders play an essential role in ecosystems as both predators and prey. They help control insect populations by preying on various pests, thus helping to maintain ecological balance. Additionally, they serve as a food source for many other creatures, including birds, lizards, and larger spiders. Their presence in ecosystems contributes to the intricate web of life, and any disruption in their populations can have ripple effects throughout the food chain. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting jumping spiders and their habitats are crucial for their survival. Initiatives such as habitat restoration, protected areas, and increased public awareness can help mitigate some of the threats they face. Furthermore, education and outreach efforts can raise awareness about the importance of these tiny arachnids in maintaining healthy ecosystems. In closing, the world of jumping spiders is a truly remarkable one, filled with agility, charm, and extraordinary adaptations. These tiny arachnid ninjas have captivated us with their precision hunting skills, intricate courtship dances, and diverse behaviors. Their significance in nature cannot be overstated, as they play vital roles in controlling insect populations and supporting the delicate balance of ecosystems. It is our hope that you've gained a deeper appreciation for these remarkable creatures and the incredible feats they achieve in their miniature world. As you've witnessed, their ninja-like qualities make them stand out in the arachnid kingdom, and their importance in the natural world extends far beyond their size. We encourage you to take a moment to appreciate and protect these tiny arachnid wonders. By raising awareness about their conservation needs, supporting efforts to preserve their habitats, and fostering a greater understanding of their vital roles in nature, we can ensure a brighter future for these remarkable creatures. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the incredible world of jumping spiders. We invite you to share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. Your engagement is essential in fostering a community that values and celebrates the diversity of life on our planet. For those eager to delve deeper into the world of arachnids or explore related topics, we've provided links to additional videos and resources in the description below. We look forward to continuing this exploration of the wonders of the natural world with you.